Okay, hello everybody. Thank you for watching. Here we have a 52-inch ceiling fan Highliner Deluxe from the Monterey fan company. Uh, this is a brand new in the box. Very old. I think it's from the 80s. Here we got some instructions. It's 5 blades, which is still factory sealed. It's reversible. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, we got the arms, I guess you could call them, to the blades. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is the motor. And some accessory parts. All factory sealed. Pull this thing off. This is brand spanking new. I'm assuming this is around from the 80s. It's in great condition. Never been hooked up, never used. And it's everything that's in the box. So, there you have it. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.